Would you like to meet your cabin crew? Ladies and gentlemen, your stewardesses' dresses have been cleared for taking off. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the first act of the second half. The absolutely super delectable, ladies and gentlemen, the Beehives!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I'd like to thank you for flying with Mile High Airlines, where the only thing that reaches higher heights than us are our lovely stewardesses' hemlines. No, really, take a look at those stems. It's a wonder I can keep my eyes on the horizon at all. Am I right, folks? I'm just kidding. You're in safe hands. Now, if you'd like to settle in, light up a cigarette, and order a cocktail, I know I've got mine, our cabin crew for today, I'll just call them the Beehives, will proceed with our safety demonstration.
Let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's a one-man band. Come fly with me, let's take up in the blue.
Attention ladies and gentlemen, I've decided on a change to your in-flight entertainment schedule. We were meant to be screening Hitchcock's new film Psycho, but as your captain, I've made the executive decision to put on my preferred version of Psycho instead. Coming to you live in full-color Girls at Gogo vision to entertain you aboard Mile High Airlines.